Hey everybody, Tom Berry here with ILS Capital, and the topic today is what is a capital call? So I get this question all the time. Most generally, people are talking to me about our ILS Income Fund or our ILS Growth Fund, and they'll ask me, have you ever had a capital call? Great question. It's a question you should ask all sponsors before you invest in their deals. And the answer, though, in those two cases is no, we have never had a capital call. And do I foresee a situation where we would have a capital call in either of those? No. Now, let me answer why, or let me explain why that is the case. A capital call is usually needed to get more capital from the investors because something didn't go as expected in a project. Well, what is our project in the Growth Fund and Income Fund? We don't really have a project. They're note funds. The only thing they own is notes, real estate notes. So what could go wrong with a note that would require additional capital? I can't think of anything. I mean, the worst thing that can happen in a note fund is a borrower doesn't pay on a note and we don't receive that income. But not receiving that income does not create an expense for us that we have to have capital to cover. It just creates no income. It's a wash situation. Well, we don't like that, and we wouldn't like that if it were to happen. It still doesn't create the necessity for a capital call. So while I would never say never to anything in investing, I can't envision currently a situation that would require a capital call in the Growth Fund or Income Fund because they don't hold assets. They don't hold anything that would create expenses. Now, let's talk about our shopping center deals in the equity fund. Could there be an instance where we would have a capital call? Absolutely. I would be lying if I stood here and said, no, that could never happen. It's a physical asset. Something unforeseen could happen. I can't tell you what, because obviously the word unforeseen means we didn't foresee it. But have we ever had it happen? No. Have I ever had it happen in any of the physical assets that I have raised capital for? No. Never in my career of 18 years have I had a capital call. But is it possible? Yes. When owning physical assets. Is it possible when owning notes? It's improbable. I'll never say impossible, but it's improbable. So that is what a capital call is and how that fits in with our investment options. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or you'd like more information about our note funds, our equity fund on our shopping centers, or our loan products, click the corresponding link below. We'd be happy to start that conversation with you.